There's quite a bit of confusion today about what deepfakes are, what vulnerabilities of a biometric system they are meant to exploit. So, for example, most people think that deepfakes are meant to fake identities. That's how the media portrays their danger. Justifiably, as human beings are pretty easy to fool through both sight and sound. But in reality, the danger is really in the ability of machines or algorithms to detect liveness of a biometric. So in other words, can a machine correctly determine if a biometric is coming from a real person or is it coming from a fake representation? So this is what the biometric field refers to as liveness or spoof detection. As you'll learn in this webinar, the real threat of deepfakes is not their ability to foil identity matching, but it's their ability really to foil liveness or spoof detection.